In the case of electric shock, what happens to body and why a person dies in minutes or even seconds? The most common and also a very difficult and tricky question. A training series is ongoing on the topic Safety Officer Job Interview. The most common and difficult questions usually asked during the interview to judge the skills, knowledge, and the expertise of a safety officer and their appropriate, accurate answers. And this is part 12. Before knowing the effects of current passing through the human body, let us make a quick overview. What is electric current? Electric current refers to the flow of electric charge through a conducting medium. It is the movement of electrons or other charged particles in a closed circuit. Electric current is measured in units called amperes and is represented by the symbol I. Electric current is a fundamental concept in physics and plays a crucial role in various electrical systems and devices. It is generated when there is a potential difference, voltage, applied across a conductor, which creates an electric field that drives the movement of charged particles. The behavior of electric current can be understood by using Ohm's law, which states that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage applied and inversely proportional to the resistance of the conductor. V is equal to IR and I is equal to V upon R. In other words, increasing the voltage or decreasing the resistance will result in a higher electric current. Do you know how many types of electrical current? Electrical current can be classified into two types: direct current DC and alternating current AC. In DC, the flow of electric charge is in one direction, while in AC, the flow alternates periodically, changing direction. The type of current used depends on the application and the nature of the electrical system. It is important to note that while electric current is essential for powering various electrical devices and systems, it can also pose risks if not properly controlled or handled. Electric shock, electrical fires, and other electrical hazards can occur if precautions and safety measures are not followed. Therefore, understanding electric current and practicing electrical safety are crucial for ensuring the safe and effective use of electricity. This was a short introduction of electric current. Now, let us understand the effects of electrical current passing through the body. Electric shock. What happens and how a person dies. In the case of electric shock, the body experiences a series of physiological effects that can lead to severe injury or even death. When an electric current passes through the body, it disrupts the normal functioning of the nervous system and other vital organs. So, here is a breakdown of what happens. Number 1, electric current path. It's the most important point. The path of electric current takes through the body plays a crucial role in determining the severity of the shock. The current can pass through vital organs such as the heart, a brain, causing more severe consequences. Number 2, muscular contraction. Electric shock can cause involuntary muscular contractions, which can make it difficult for the victim to release their grip on the source of the shock. This prolongs the duration of exposure to the electric current, and this situation is always crucial. Number 3, ventricular fibrillation. One of the most significant risks of electric shock is ventricular fibrillation. This occurs when the electric current disrupts the heart's normal rhythm, causing it to quiver instead of contracting effectively. Ventricular fibrillation can lead to cardiac arrest and a lack of blood flow to the body's organs. This stage is critical. Number 4, burns and tissue damage. Electric shock can cause burns both at the site of entry and exit of the current. The severity of the burns depends on the voltage, duration of the shock, and resistance of the body. Tissue damage can also occur due to the heat generated by the electric current. Number 5, internal injuries. Electric shock can cause internal injuries, including damage to organs, blood vessels, and nerves. These injuries can disrupt the normal functioning of the body and contribute to further complications. Number 6, respiratory failure. In some cases, electric shock can lead to respiratory failure due to the impact on the muscles involved in the breathing. This can result in a lack of oxygen supply to the body, further exacerbating the risk of death. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. Today, we are discussing about the effects of electrical shock on the body, how a person dies in minutes or even in seconds when electrocuted. And this is part 12 of Safety Interview Training Series. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and fellows. The reason a person may die within seconds or minutes after a severe electric shock is primarily due to the interruption of the heart's normal rhythm, leading to cardiac arrest and subsequent lack of oxygen supply to the brain and other vital organs. The severity of the shock, the path of the current, and the immediate medical response play critical roles in determining the outcome. Immediate administration of cardiopulmonary resuscitation (CPR) and prompt medical intervention are vital in increasing the chances of survival in the case of electric shock. In the case of delay, most of the time, the victim is no more. Remember, electricity lights up our world, empowering us to see beyond the darkness and pursue endless possibilities. From powering our homes to fueling technological advancements, electricity is the spark that ignites progress and innovation. But at the same time, on the other hand, in the blink of an eye, the unseen power of electricity can turn deadly, reminding us of its unforgiving nature. Underestimate the power of electricity, and it can extinguish a life in milliseconds, leaving us humbled by its potential devastation. You need to understand well. Electricity offers numerous benefits and conveniences. It is essential to handle it with caution and respect its potential dangers to ensure personal safety and the safety of others. In the upcoming training session, I'll discuss the possible electrical hazards on a construction site and the controls, how to mitigate them. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Wish to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.